My name is Matthew. I'm with the DSL for Genesis Power Solutions here in Texas. We were part of this presentation, and it's extremely full of passion and so informative. It really is making us think about the way we're going to change our strategy for the future of solar in general. It's not sustainable the way it currently is, but with EG4, once you've seen this presentation, it gives you a whole new outlook on what's possible in this market, and to be able to truly help homeowners insulate themselves from the utility and have true backup that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It was impressive, and I'm super grateful for the opportunity to see it.
Jason Poole with Pulse Turnkey here. We're so excited EG4 got to come in today with a product that's going to just completely change the industry. Being able to come in with a product that's actually going to basically create storage for the market that is at an economic value is just so amazing for both us and our partners. You know, our sales partners are going to be able to offer this to customers at a rate that actually makes sense for them, and not something that customers need to be sold or pushed into. Really excited here. We're going to kill it. So excited for our partnership with EG4.
Hey guys, it's Millie here. Man, EG4 is awesome. It's game changing. The power to go out there and help homeowners get off grid, you know, helping them in this economy. It's just even amazing. If you guys are in the market for a new brand, for something that actually works, something that's robust, something that helps the homeowners, and that's not junk, look up EG4 and they'll help you out.